panawagan?
To the international community. Okay, wait, teka lang. The international community, the Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protests. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa mga nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. We will get Marcos to resign peacefully, and this is just the first step. Every day from now on, we will be protesting at various subdivisions, yung mga pinakamayamang subdivision kung saan nakatira yung mga congressman, para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose their houses during typhoons and earthquakes, ngayon sila naman yung makakaramdam ng feeling na yung kalaban nila, yung mga naghahanap ng hustisya ay nasa labas na ng mga gates
So,
nila.
hindi ba kayo natatakot? Baka balikan kayo ng gobyerno sa ginagawa niyo?
Okay lang yun, lahat man tayo mamamatay eh.
So you mentioned
Pampapakulong.
that this is just the first step. After today, what's next?
Bukas mag-rally ulit